Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making a super cute play oven mitt. I also want to give a shout out to my cousin Abby for giving me this idea. It was super fun, and let's get on with the video. This is what we're going to be making today. The materials you'll need are glue, fabric or fabric tissue, 2 pieces of felt, and a marker. First, you're going to take out your felt and lay that out. You're going to put both sheets on top of each other, so then when you cut it out, it'll cut both of the gloves out. Next, you're going to take your hand or your sibling's hand and put it on the felt. Make sure the thumb is sticking out and the rest of the fingers are put together. Then you're just going to trace that into a glove shape. Make sure it's a little bit larger than the hand so you have room for the glue and to fit the hand in. Then you're just going to cut this out. When you finish cutting out the glove, you're going to lay your fabric or fabric tissue and you're going to cut out the shape of your glove, and you're going to do that twice, so then we're going to decorate the glove with this fabric. Next, you're going to want to make sure that the fabric or fabric tissue that you cut out matches the size of your glove. After that, you're going to glue both parts of your felt together to form the glove. Now you're going to glue the fabric or fabric tissue to your glove. And there you go, a super cute play oven mitt. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Also, we just came out with a new Instagram account. It's called Crafted by Kids IG. Don't forget to go check that out and follow the account. Bye!